This video is just going to talk a little bit about substrings. So you might be asked to do something like this in the exam, so looking at substrings and taking a part of a string. So we've got a little code comment at the top, just talks about what the program is, and then the first line of code is this one: my string equals hello world, Merry Christmas. So we're just giving a value to my string. It's just a string. They call this a string literal, so it's just a piece of text. So then we've got a second string, another variable, and it's called just Fred is here. So it's just another string. So if we want to get a substring, so we've got a variable here called part string, so it equals my string 0 colon 4. So strings are indexed, so it's looking at my string, which is hello world, Merry Christmas, and it's going to start at position 0, which is the first one, H, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3. So it will go to position just before the 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, because it's actually position 4, but 0, 1, 2, 3 it's going to go for, and that will just get those first 4 letters. So then we print it. So if we run the program, you'll see, I hope, that that first bit of code there is running, and it prints on that line the part string that we've just got. So then we've done some concatenating. So concatenating strings is just sticking strings together. So you can use the plus operator to do that. So you can stick the part string that we've just got plus, and I've just put a comma and a space in there, and then plus a second string. So the second string is the whole of that Fred is here. So you can see when it prints that, it says, "Hell, Fred is here." So then we come down, we've printed that, and let's do another one. So we get another substring. This time we're getting it from a position to the end of the string. So we're using my string again. If you remember that my string is hello world, Merry Christmas. We're going to take it from position 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's position 11 is the space just before the Merry Christmas. So we're taking it from 11 to the end, and then we're going to stick the two strings together again. The final string is going to be equal to new string plus end string, and we finally print it out, and we'll run that again, and we can see that the last print out is, "Hell, Fred is here, Merry Christmas." I suppose we could have put another bit of punctuation in there if we wanted to, but we've stuck together those strings by taking parts of the strings and using them by sticking them together, by concatenating them, and by taking a substring by using this notation for the string. So my string, square brackets 0 colon 4, and that's going to take characters 0, 1, 2, and 3 and put them into the part string variable there. So that could be a useful thing for you to be able to do potentially in the exam. I'm sure many of you know how to do that already, but just revise that idea and make sure you understand what a substring is.